Hello students, this is Sumit Kumar, Assistant Professor, BBA Department, Mawai College, Ranchi. Today we'll deal with one of the topic of business statistics, that is calculation of median. Median is calculated for the data set of numbers, sample or population. Median divides set of data or sample or population in two halves. It's the middle value of dataset, sample or population. It gives more accurate measurement of central value of dataset compared to mean. To prevent the skewness, sometimes median is used in place of mean. In case when the set of data is having odd numbers, it's easy to get the middle value, which is median. In case of data set having even numbers, data in even numbers, in that case no exact middle value can be obtained, and in that case pair of middle values are determined and arithmetic mean or average is calculated to find the median. The process of calculation of median for individual series, discrete series and continuous series is discussed here with formulas and examples in the upcoming slides. Dear students, today's topic is calculation of median. Median is an important, widely used average. It is the most central value of set of numbers. It is the value of the middle term of series. A median divides frequency distribution in half. If the number of items is odd, median is determinate and it can be easily calculated. In case of even number, there is no exact middle item in this set of numbers. Hence median is indeterminate, which means we can't get the exact median value. In this case, median is found by arithmetic mean of two values. Now we will go through the formula for calculation of mean in case of individual series. First of all, when the question is related to individual series, the series is arranged in ascending and descending order. In any of the order, the series can be arranged. Then for calculation of median from this series, we have to find capital N plus 1 divided by 2th item, which is the middle value in the series. Capital M here denotes median and capital N here denotes number of items. Now this one is the example of individual series where we have to calculate median. The given series is 23, 13, 17, 19, 20, 21, 16, 18, 17. First of all, this in step 1, this series is arranged in ascending order. बढ़ते क्रम में इनको सजाया जाता है. And we can see here that when the series is arranged, it's 13, 16, 17, 17, 18, 20, 21, 23. Now we will find the n plus 1 by 2th item. The value of n is here 9. Putting the value in the formula, we get n 9 plus 1 divided by 2th item, which is equals to 10 by 2, which gives the value 5th item. Now in the arranged series, when we find the 5th item, we will get it as 18, 1, 8, 18, and this is the median value. Now again, the previous example was of odd individual series. What will we do when the series is in even number? Here it is one of the example. The current series is even individual series. You can see here the numbers are as given: 112, 172, 260, 345, 525, 545, 670, 720, 850, 930. When you will count it, these are ten in number. 10 is even number, and we cannot find the exact middle value. So first of all, we'll try to find, as we have done earlier, n plus 1 by 2th item. Here the value of capital N is 10, which is a even number. 10 plus 1 divided by 2 gives 11 by 2, and which is equals to 5.5. So we have to find the 5.5th item. It is impossible to get that number, exact number, which is 5.5th item. So what we will do, we will obviously the 5.5th item will be found between the 5th item and the 6th item. So we will get the 5th item, which is 525, and the 6th item, which is 545, and get the arithmetic mean of these two numbers in the series. And after addition, we get 1070 divided by 2, and we get the median value, that is 535. Now here you can see, as we can see in this slide, how median is calculated for the discrete series. The points to be remembered while calculating median for the discrete series is that there is no need to arrange data, as we did for calculating mean for individual series here. But there is one additional step that we have to do, is we have to find cumulative frequency. The steps which are followed in calculation of median for discrete series is as follows. First of all, cumulative frequencies are calculated using frequency. Then n plus 1 by 2 formula is applied to know the median item. The term corresponding to the cumulative frequency just greater than n plus 1 by 2 with item will be median value. We will try to understand the steps and process with the help of this example, where heights of students are given and it's denoted by x, and number of students having particular height is given in the frequency column. In the question you will only get height and frequency x and f. Using the frequency we get the cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency is obtained by adding the subsequent frequencies, where we can see that the first value of x is 58 and the frequency number of students having that height is 15. So cumulative frequency for the first variable will be 15. Now we move to the next item, height 59. Number of students having height 59 is 20. Then cumulative frequency will be 15 plus 20, 35. And same process will be followed for calculating the cumulative frequency for the subsequent heights and their respective frequencies. Now the cumulative frequency for the third variable will be 35 plus 32, 67. And for the next it will be 67 plus 35, 102, and so on. The last value of cumulative frequency is 195, and when you will add all the values of frequencies in the column of frequency, you will get capital N is equals to 195. Now we'll try to find the size of n plus 1 by 2th item, which is the value of capital N is 195 plus 1 divided by 2, that is equals to 196 divided by 2, and we get 90th item. The 90th item will lie in the frequency belonging to the cumulative frequency greater than 98, and that is as indicated in this slide is 102, and the respective frequency of 102th the median value is 35, and the respective height for the frequency 35 is 61. So the median value will be 61. So this is the method for calculation of median in case of discrete series. Now we'll move towards how median is calculated for continuous series. The steps are as follows. Again, frequencies are made cumulative. The median item is known by finding out, here there is a change, finding out n by 2th item. In the third stage, we reach to the median item that is located in frequency. First of all, we reach to the cumulative frequency column. It lies in that class. Then class interval is, that particular class interval is called as median class interval. The formula for calculating median is L1 plus n by 2 minus small c divided by small f multiplied by small I. L1 here is lower limit of the median class. I is here class interval of the median class. Small f is the frequency of the median class. Small c is the cumulative frequency of the class preceding the median class. मीडियन क्लास के पहले वाले क्लास का क्यूमुलेटिव फ्रीक्वेंसी है स्मॉल सी. स्मॉल m is equals small m here is n by 2th item. Here, as we can see in the example, the class intervals are given, frequencies are given, and cumulative frequencies are calculated. The class interval is 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, and so on. Frequencies are given. Cumulative frequencies are obtained by adding the succeeding frequencies. For the first class interval CF, cumulative frequency is 6. For the next, it's obtained by adding the frequency for the second class interval 6 plus 10, 16. Then again, for the third class interval 16 plus 16, 32. For the fourth class interval 32 plus 18, 50, and so on. When all the particulars in the frequency column are added up, we get the value of capital N is equals to 80. The formula for which will be used for calculating median is L1 plus L2 minus L1 divided by small f within bracket m minus c. The value of n is equals to 80. So n by 2th item will be 80 by 2, which will be 40th item, and that is the value of small m, 40th item. So 40th item will be lying in the cumulative frequency column, which will be greater than 40. So here we can see that the greater than 40 is 50 in the cumulative frequency column, 5050. So cumulative frequency for the median class interval will be 50. So respective median class will be 50 to 60, and the lower limit of the class interval here is 50, and the upper limit L2 is 60. L1 is 50 and the L2 is 60. Small f is the frequency of median class. Median class is 50 to 60 and the respective frequency is 80. Small c is 32. What is a small c? The small c is the cumulative frequency of the preceding class interval of median class, and it's 32. Now we have got all the values and we'll put all the values in the formula to obtain the median. While putting the values in the formula, L1 is 50, L2 is 60, L1 is again 50, small f is 18, small m is 40 and small c is 32. When putting the formula and making calculations, we get the value of median. So students, I think this particular lecture will be helpful only when you will apply these formulas and processes in practicing more number of questions. If any doubts arise, you can ask in the comment section. Thank you.